Easter Sunday is almost here, and if you still haven't found the perfect recipe to make for your brunch crowd, check this one out. Howard shows us how to make an Italian Easter pie in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Last year around Easter, I was introduced to something called Italian Easter pie that was to die for. You know, the best way that I can describe it is a really thick quiche studded with chopped Italian meats and wrapped in a pie dough. It's an Italian tradition that's served at Easter, and it's one that you might want to add to your holiday lineup. We start off by lining the bottom and sides of a deep 9-inch cake or springform pan with a refrigerated or homemade pie crust. We set that aside for a sec while we add some Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, and pepper to some beaten eggs. After that's all combined, we mix in some ricotta and mozzarella cheese. And for the part that adds so much personality, we stir in some chopped ham, Genoa salami, and sliced pepperoni. Then we pour this into our pan before topping it with a second pie crust and fluting the edges. We'll brush it with an egg wash and into the oven it goes. When you serve this on Easter, whether for brunch or with the big meal, get ready for all sorts of oohs and ahs. It not only looks impressive, but it's creamy and savory too. If you want the recipe for our Easter Italian pie, just visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a holiday special way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. I thought that was supposed to be mine.
Yeah, if you can't decide between the Easter ham and the Easter pie, you can have them both. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.